Hello, my chance. This is voice of Black Cat, Purple, Black Cat, Adventures. I don't say Spidey and his Mason film. So this is voice of Black Cat in season 4, season 4 final. Season 4, I think one of the episode parts. Let's say part 1 and final part. So here we go. When Black Cat, what's your heart of Black Cat trying to steal stuff? This is why a stumpwood. And the stumpwood would be mine. Listen, the Spidey man is been shouting and saying, no, that's it. No, the Spidey friends. What are you? And when you always show up every time. Please, stop doing that. Oh, really? Maybe not. Not until the stomper. This is that new power I got. I got my new line. Stomper, destroy them. And so when I destroyed them, I didn't. Go ahead, get me some another one. So after they got distracted, there's just what something stomp and. No, that was me. I had to do this myself. Yeah. Oh, really? You don't really think that would have been clear? But it would have been really clear. and so that and afterwards, that's just it's over. And not yet. No, it's not over. It's trying to stop another thing. Then after that, it's destroy them all. And so after the thing said, oh god, we got project. Oh man. So actually the rest did. They wanted to think everything. Again, I said, here again, and thanks for the team again. And yeah, so there's happening. I haven't even over yet. I'll come back I'll see you next time. This time it won't be the last. And so there's this kind of card and we'll drop off. And so that is it with voice of Felicia Hardy, Black Cat, and Spidey and his Amazing Friends Season 4. So, if you like this video, let's get feedback in. Peace.